In today's video, I'll show you on how you can transfer Quizlet to Anki step by step. The first thing that you want to do is to open up the Anki application. In here, click Tools, click Add-ons, click Get Add-ons, and then you want to navigate through the Browse Add-ons page. Now your browser will open up, and then you simply want to search for Quizlet. You can use the search bar at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to select the Quizlet to Anki 2.1 importer with audio support. Scroll down, copy this code, head back to the Anki application, and then you want to paste the same code onto this text bar. Click OK. It will then download the add-ons. So to apply the add-ons, we can just restart the application, open it back in. After restarting Anki, head over to the Tools option, and a new option will appear, Import from Quizlet. Head over to your Quizlet URL. In my case, I'm just going to use the official URL for Quizlet, but of course you want to navigate through your Quizlet flashcards, and then you want to paste the Quizlet URL right here. Click Import Deck, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.